Hi there! Welcome to this makeup tutorial. My name is Harley and I'm going to take you through this entire journey of this look. Well, not entire. I already did the face. I'm only really going to do the eyes and lips, but it's going to be great. Hopefully you like it. If you don't, f*** you. Okay, moving on. Alright, let's get started. So, for today... Oh, my candles just farted. Okay, so for today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite makeup looks. It's usually targeted towards green eyes, but I find it makes brown, blue, and green eyes pop, so what's not to love? It's pretty simple, so I think everyone will be able to do it. Well, first thing I usually do is put on my face, but I've already put on my powder and foundation and bronzer and contour and blah, 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 blah. We're gonna start with the eyebrows. So I usually like to get a, whatever this is called. It's thin and it's sharp. And I'll put it into my Urban Decay Basics 2. This is really good browns and neutrals, kind of like your basic browns. So anyways, I'll put it into this and just sort of go to town. A lot of people will put their foundation and powder on after their eyes, which is smart because then you don't ruin it with all the fallout like I'm doing right now, but who fucking cares? I don't really like to do like harsh lines because I have bold brows already. I have to comb these guys like caterpillars. Really should have trimmed my brows before I did this, but whatever. So the next thing that I like to do is put on my eyeshadow primer. I've seen videos where people don't use eyeshadow primer and it just like blows my mind because how does your eyeshadow stay on? How does it stay on? I don't know if I have really oily eyelids or something, but if I even just put concealer and then eyeshadow, it's like crease central. So I don't know what you're all doing, but it doesn't work for me. So anyways, Urban Decay, there's no need for me to check anything else because I love it so much. So we'll just do a couple swipes. Just kind of glob it on there. And then just sort of blend it into, and make sure you get the corner too because you're gonna put some sparkles in there and you want them to pop. Okay, next thing, I like to take a sort of fluffy kind of brush. I know there are names for these, but I don't know. And I like to put it into, I have this MAC Semi-Sweet ×9 shadow, and I usually use the first one as my white. If you don't have something like this, or like if you run out of it, because like I'm about to, you can use your powder as well. Okay. See, look, already, I'm already creasing. Creasing. Just sort of highlight the brow bone. Okay. Piece of cake. We're gonna move along to the Tarteist Pro To Go palette. This is my favorite palette. This is basically what our look is gonna be. As you can see, they're really warm colors. I love this gold. It's called Hype. Then we're gonna put in Drip. I've used this so much that all the words are off of it. And then Stylin is the third color we're gonna use. So we are gonna go in with this guy with some golds. And we're just gonna fucking lather that shit all over. Nope, that's a lie. I fucked up. We're gonna just put it halfway across. So forget I did that. That's not what we're supposed to do. We're gonna put it on the first third of the eye. Well, I guess you kind of sort of taper it off. So it's pretty bright. But I kind of stick to the most color concentrated on the first third. Okay, and the second thing we're gonna do is, you can use the same brush if you're lazy like I am, or if you're fancy, you can use a different brush, but I just sort of do this and then put it into what I think is drip. Now this one's very pigmented, so we're gonna kind of let it, my brain is falling apart. Dust it on our own hands first, and then we're gonna go into the middle section and sort of build the color and go towards the edge. And then the other side. It's okay if it's not perfect right away, because what we're gonna do after is go through and blend it all in with each other. If I could give one piece of advice for anybody doing makeup, it's blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. And then when you think you've blended enough, blend some more. This is pretty saturated with orange shadow, so I'm going to take, this one is more tapered, and I'm gonna go into the purple. And I mean, it's better to have a tapered one now too, because we're gonna sort of kind of go into a point. See how it kind of like ombres? All right, moving on. Now we're gonna take this brush and we're just gonna blend it all sort of together. Make sure there's no harsh lines. The inner corners, we want it to be the brightest because it goes brightest to darkest. My favorite thing to do is to take my highlighter that I already put on my cheeks and put it in the inner corner. I'm gonna take one like this and just pop it in the middle corner. Actually, let's add some more. While we're here, we might as well do a dusting. Now that we're dusted, we're going to go in with this brush here, and we're just going to do the under eye. So first we're going to go in with purple, the darkest to lightest. So this really hugs the waterline here. And there will be some fallout, which is why a lot of makeup artists will do their full face makeup after their eyes, but I'm stuck in my ways, so I'm just gonna deal with the consequences of this. Okay, next we're gonna go in with more orange with a fluffier brush, because this is, we're also gonna blend while we add the orange. So take a little bit. And sort of blend it as you go. Try not to get it into your eyeball. Fierce. Okay, next I'm going to add the eyeliner. I'm going to do kind of like a cat eye winged look. Usually my favorite eyeliner to use is this Maybelline Stiletto. It has the felt tip, so it's thicker, and I like a dramatic eye. But this one is the one we're going to use today because I want to use the magnetic lashes, and this is the Magnetic Liner by Kiss. It has the little brush, which some people love. I do not. Okay, start thin, because as you make mistakes, and you will make mistakes, it's gonna get thicker and thicker and thicker, and then soon enough you're gonna be Amy Winehouse, which may not be a bad thing. So kind of just follow the angle that you did with the eyeshadow and give this a shake, because I think the magnetic bits settle, and then you'll put all this eyeshadow or all this liquid liner on, and then it won't even be magnetic, which is a bummer. Okay. So let's get in there. And make sure you really get in that corner. It's gonna stick the lashes. And if you don't have it really far in, then your eyelashes are gonna be like, which is not cute. Now I've been doing the same cat eye liquid liner look for like over 10 years, I think, since high school. I could probably do it with my eyes closed. That might be a good video. Can you do it with your eyes closed? Oh, fucker. One time I was putting my mascara on and I sneezed. It's so annoying. Actually, the easiest way to get rid of black hair that's from your mascara or liquid liner is with a little mascara brush, without mascara on it, obviously. But I don't have one of those with me today, so we are just gonna use my nail. Okay. Maybe add a little bit more orange to cover up the redness. The other thing that I really love about this eyeshadow palette is its size. It's the perfect size. I can throw it in my bag. I'm a flight attendant as well, so I have to bring my makeup with me, but I can't bring my entire makeup collection with me with giant palettes like this, because then there'd be no more room for wine. So I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on. I like a big, thick brush, but everybody's lashes are different and everybody likes a different type of brush. These show-stopping. These are crazy. I love them. Those sword tweezers would come in handy. So you may have to wrestle with them a little bit. I did it! Okay, so for our lipstick today, I'm going to use a melted metallic lipstick by Too Faced in the shade I Want to Rock With You, which is perfect because I want to rock with you. I love this color because it's metallic, so it's shimmery, but it's still kind of, it's really pigmented. I like to do the overlining of the lips too, a little bit. But not a lot. You don't want to look like Mimi from the Decay show, or a clown, if you don't know that reference. You can, I'd say, overline with caution. There goes my mirror. This is a very small desk, I'm realizing. And there you have it. Here's the finished look. I know everybody always does the... whatever. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it to your friends and family. But mostly subscribe. That's what I want. I want you to subscribe. So please, please, please subscribe if you like it. I'm gonna go and make dinner like this because I'm in quarantine and I'm unemployed. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.